महंगा को सर थोड़ा आराम से आओ सर
ఫోన్ వెనకాల పెట్టు
మంచి ఫోన్ ఎత్తి ఫోన్ ఎట్లా వారండి
కెమెరా ఎత్తు
వాయిస్
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ కొద్ది సైడ్ తిండి
ఈ పక్క భయ్యా थोड़ा साइड आओ ఉన్నాను సార్ ఉన్నాను
సైడ్ సైడ్
పో ముచ్చయ్యా భయ్యా ఇందాక చెప్పాము
అన్న నువ్వు కొద్ది ముందరికి వెళ్ళిపోతే నీకు
ఇది ఇదంతా ఉండదు
నేను సార్ కొద్ది స్లో
రా 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 అయిన పేరు రా
ఫోటో అయింది కదా మళ్ళా తీస్తాను
ఫోటో తిన్నాను
యాడ్ తీసేది నన్ను ఇవన్నీ పట్టుకోండి
రాయ్ అయిన పేరు పక్కన రావాలా
India has won the World Cup. It is for 140 crore Indians. The entire team has made the entire nation proud, and the entire nation is very, very happy. I want to congratulate Rahul Dravid, Rohit Sharma, the entire team, and the entire support staff for achieving such a great success for the nation.
Sir, Kohli and Rohit Sharma is a retired man. How
Yeah.
did it feel?
See, what better than finishing off their T20 career with a World Cup win? It couldn't have got better than that. Probably the script was written, and they both are great players. They've done so much for Indian cricket, and really want to congratulate wish them all the best. And they still play 2 more formats. They play Test cricket and One Day cricket. I'm sure they're going to keep contributing to the success of the country and to the team.
The 13 years World Cup, T20 World Cup, 2007 and 2024. How did it feel?
I think India has played really good cricket, even in the middle as well. Even in the 50-over World Cup, they played some incredible cricket. The World Cup was a massive success for them. It was just that they couldn't cross the line, but it was just a matter of time that they were able to cross the line. They're a quality side. You've got some world-class cricketers. So I want to congratulate all of them. I think their contribution and the way they've performed, they made the entire nation proud.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇండియన్ కోచ్